Deep ocean, dark oxygen. Find could rewrite Earth's history. AFP. In the total darkness of the depths of the Pacific Ocean, scientists have discovered oxygen being produced not by living organisms but by strange potato-shaped metallic lumps that give off almost as UCH electricity as batteries. The international team of scientists sent a small vessel to the floor of the CCZ aiming to find out how mining could impact the strange and little understood animals living where no light can reach. Below are your comments. How many thousands of square miles would need to be mined to make this feasible? Sounds like disaster waiting to happen. Just once, it would be nice for regulations to get out ahead of the technology. Leave these objects alone. If you look at the most severe extinction event we had on this planet, the oceans are what brought Earth back when pH synth was stopped. This included the shallow parts of our oceans. Maybe the only O2 produced during that time was from these objects, which eventually brought back our oceans, bringing back life to our planet. Kinda like an insurance policy. Leave them alone. Develop hydrogen power. Good news to Earth, to humanity, we still go mining, right? Big corporations want it no matter the ECC. Oh, life seafloor destruction. Make money. For money we destroy Earth, it never stops, wouldn't I? TB time to learn to use those resources we have, and be less wasting them. So these things have been there long enough to kickstart life on Earth, and now humans want to go after them and remove them? What could go wrong? Please be careful removing the life source for the deep sea creatures. They should only take a few for testing and leave the rest. If humans want to attempt reproducing the specimens, then that makes sense. And isn't God great? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.